The family of a missing teen in Manchester is still desperately hoping for her safe return more than 6 months after she was last seen. The teen's mother remains shaken by her daughter's disappearance. It's been 7 months and 2 days since Agatha Bramwell last saw her 15-year-old daughter Georgiana. The teen has been reported missing since November 2024.
It's unbearable. Very, very, very unbearable. I can't sleep, I can't eat. I would never want my enemy to go through what I'm going through right now.
Mrs. Bramwell remembers leaving home in Spice Grove, Manchester for 2 hours and returning home to discover her daughter was not there.
I dropped my handbag and started searching where I know she would go and pick fruits or walk, and I haven't seen her.
Community members, a team from the Police K9 unit, Mandeville Police and the Fire Department in the parish have participated in different searches for the teen. There has been no trace of Georgiana so far. Ashley Doar misses his baby sister.
I was the first person she called before daddy or mommy. And every morning I was the first person who to wake up out of bed and carry her up on her shoulders, walk her, walk her every morning. Very, very rough and heart-rending. It's not easy to not seeing your sister.
Mrs. Bramwell is especially worried because her daughter is severely epileptic.
If she is out of medication, maybe she will have about 10-15 seizures. They're about she is severely epileptic because she only talks. She cannot help herself. She cannot help herself, like explain herself. She is very tiny. She is 15, but she is she look like 8 years old.
And so she's asking for the public's help.
I need my little girl home. It's not easy. It's the only daughter I have. One little girl, and I know she can't help herself. I have to brush her teeth most of the time, bathe her, do everything for her. Sometimes I have to feed her because sometimes she cannot eat. So I know that she is helpless.
Police in Mandeville say their search for the missing teen continues. She's one of 14 persons missing since 2024 in Manchester. 17 persons have been reported missing so far this year in the parish. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of 15-year-old Georgiana Bramwell is being asked to contact the Mandeville Police at 876-962-2250, the family at 876-787-3376, or the nearest police station. The family is offering $5,000 for any information on the whereabouts of Georgiana. Still ahead in Primetime News, the business review and international stories. Please stay with us.